Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel, Saif Shaikh. Before we start, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Don't forget to share it with anyone who might need this information. In today's video, we'll tackle a common issue many Android users face: a corrupted SD card with a message like this. SD card is corrupt. Touch to fix. Now, it might suggest formatting the SD card, but hold on. Formatting would erase all your photos, videos, and data. So, let's explore some safer solutions. Method 1. Restart your phone. Sometimes, a simple restart can do the trick. Turn off your phone, wait for a moment, and then turn it back on. Check if the SD card issue is resolved. If not, let's move on to the next method. Method 2. Reinsert the corrupted SD card. Our second trick is to reinsert the corrupted SD card. Remove it from your phone and carefully put it back in, making sure it's snug in the card slot. Sometimes, a loose connection can cause the corruption error. Reinserting the card might help re-establish a stable connection. By trying these two methods, you might fix the corrupted SD card without losing your data. Remember, don't rush to format it unless you're willing to say goodbye to your files. So, the next time you see a corrupted SD card message on your Android device, try these two simple tricks first. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated.